squeakers? Are you in water? Here. Sit down. I think it's scaring him. He's like, what is this? What is this, squeakers? He looks scared. It's water.
I'm just going to sit here.
It's water. Here, Sam, don't play with these anymore. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Does he like it? He's just kind of like, what is this? Like, he's looking curious. Mm-hmm. Oh, you scared him. Was it you? It's okay. He's chewing the bowl. Get your little towel for him. I can't see you. There you are. It's okay. Why don't you do something funny? Look. It's not too warm or anything, or too. It's perfect. You walk around. Go. Go.
There's something exciting.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh. It's okay.
This is an exciting video.
I know.
Oh!
Don't do that. You scared him. Stop, stop, stop.
Do something. Yeah.
It's his first time.
Yes! Achieve
Do it
success.
again. Aww. He's getting more exciting now. Oh, the battery's about ready to die.
Yeah, now that he's finally getting exciting.
Stop! He's like scared.
He gets more used to it.
It's okay. It's so weird that he's wet. It makes him want to clean himself more too. See, it's just water.
I'm like waiting for him to poop.
I know. That's gonna be in the video, you know that?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Like just one little poop floating around.
Yeah. Look at all the hair.
Yeah.
This ball. It's okay, buddy.
You want to fill it up more and have him swim?
No, wait. You should like it. There you go. Maybe I'll do it next time because I just want him to get used to the feeling of water. It's like, I don't know if I like it.
I feel like you're gonna have to edit this video a lot and cut out the boring parts.
Nah. Aw. Squeakers. Hey, squeakers. Hey, squeakers. Hey.
On your butt.
It's 5 minutes long.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Okay, we're done.